Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the text to image feature in Canva to bring your ideas to life. So here, I've already on the canva.com, and to start using the feature, you can just go to the Magic Studio here on the left panel. Magic Studio, click on this. So the Magic Studio in Magic Studio, there are lots of AI feature that you can use, and one of them is the text to image. Okay, just scroll down. This one, text to image. So just click on this to use it. So for this is the example. For example, you want to create a photo of a palace like this. So just click on try it out. Here you can just describe the image that you're thinking of and see what Canva will create from it. So just wait. The new design will be automatically opened. So here is the magic media. Just click on the image tab and here describe what you like to create. So for example, a girl standing in front of the house with a big yard, for example. Here you can scroll down and choose the styles. There are lots of options: watercolor, anime, filmic, photo, or dreamy. I'm going to use the watercolor style. And here you can also choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to just use square, and after that just click on generate image and wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so it's still loading, but you can see there are four options that you can choose between this four from the prompt that I created before. So just like the one you like, for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the image that you want to use. So it will be automatically added to the blank design. If you want to make it background, just right click and click on set image as background. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.